Hi, Daniel from Ablestar. I hope you're doing well and thanks for joining us. This week we have a number of updates to share with you. We've improved the way that you can export products through the app, making it easier to find the fields that you're looking for. We've also added a number of error codes to the app, and these are used to help you if you have trouble with any of your edits. And lastly, we've made some pretty big performance improvements behind the scenes to ensure that the app keeps running smoothly for years to come. Let's go ahead and get started. When you export your product data through an app, you have the option to choose a whole number of fields here, and you can choose just the fields you want. We've added this search bar up here just to make it a lot easier to filter for the fields since there's so many different options. So for example, if you do something like size, we'll only pull back the fields that have size in them. And this works across all field groups to just make it easier to find exactly what you need. So we can, select the inventory ones exactly like that. And it's keyboard friendly as well, so if you're here and you just hit Control F, you can start typing for what you want. So it might be a small thing, but I've had the same issue myself where it just gets difficult to find the exact column you need, and this should make that a whole lot easier. Sometimes your edits might not always go exactly as planned. For example, here if we are to edit the supplier name, this meta field has a validation for a maximum of 20 characters. So when we run the edit, if we go here, we'll see that there is an error here. This last month, we've updated these error codes and added over 20 new error codes to help you with common situations that you might run into. So if you encounter an error, you can click on the error code and you'll be taken directly to a description that gives you more information about what goes wrong. Of course, if there's any issues, you can always contact our support by clicking on the bottom right. This provides a quick way to kind of figure out what's going on and fix it if you can. Unlike most other bulk editor apps for Shopify, Ablestar keeps a full copy of your product catalog in our local database. This allows us to do things like live previews, better searches, and faster exports. The flip side to this is every time any store makes a change to one of their products, Shopify will send us a message and we can process millions of these every hour. We've made some updates to the app this last month that will ensure that the app continues to run performantly for all of you, and these include things like improving the speed for tag searches, improving searches for large catalogs, so if you have hundreds of thousands of products, you can still search through those reliably, as well as we've upgraded the underlying infrastructure for all of our apps. And that's all we have time for this month. If you'd like, you can see a full list of our changes at changelog.ablestar.com. And if you have any questions while using the app, you can always feel free to reach out for us. Thanks for watching.